Hey everyone, welcome to PyDataLab, where we explore the amazing world of data science using Python. I am Rick, and in today's video, we are kicking off a brand new series on Pandas, the powerful data manipulation and analysis library for Python. You can find out the full documentation in online and go through all the methods and functions. Whether you are a data enthusiast, a budding data scientist, or just curious about how to handle data effectively, this series is for you. Okay, let's get started. So, what is Pandas? Pandas is an open source library that provides high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools for Python. It is widely used in various fields such as finance, economic statistics, and of course, data science. Pandas is all about making data manipulation fast, flexible, and expressive. Okay, let's talk about some of the key features of Pandas. Pandas introduces two primary data structures, series and data frame. A series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding any data type. Let's see an example. I'm opening Google Collaborator. It's very used to use. You have nothing to do with environment setup. Just log in with your Google account and straight dive into the world of Python. Especially if you're new, I will strongly recommend you to use Google Collaborator Notebook. It will save all of your work on cloud. You do not need to worry at all. If you are not new, then you obviously know what is Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. Anaconda installation is also very easy. You can find out lots of tutorials online. Feel free to use whatever you like. Here you do not need to install anything, but still I am showing already it is installed here. Yeah, requirement already satisfied. Now import pandas library and we will create a series first. Let's take x equals to pd. Here method name is series. Suppose we will take uh, 5 elements and we'll set index also. Let's set the x variable and now we can print. Yeah, so this is a series. We can access each of these elements like this, or if you want to use lock or ilock function, that will also work. Mm, For lock function, we need to use the index. Suppose we want to see in well, yeah, okay. Now go with the data frame. So a data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns of potentially different types. Yeah, it is like a spreadsheet or SQL table. Okay. Uh, let's create some example. And another attribute will set as is. Ask it to a data frame method, and here is your data frame created. So we will do a head. Yeah. So only two rows are available under this data frame. So it is showing here. Now, so next feature is data alignment and index handling of missing data. One of the great things about Pandas is its ability to automatically align data based on labels, making it easy to handle missing or inconsistent data. Some methods you can use like fillna, dropna. Okay, let's take a quick example. Take this one itself, and suppose I am making it as none. Yeah, yeah. So it is none variable, and as age, we don't know the value. So we simply use the fillna function. Yeah. So here it is. Next, next is data aggregation and group operations. So pandas make it easy to group data and perform aggregate functions like sham. Pandas make it easy to group data and perform aggregate functions like sum, mean, and more. This is done using the group by method. Let's see a quick example of this. For this one, let's just import one CSV file. I have, yeah, let's import this one. Copy the path. Yeah. So in Pandas, we have inbuilt functions read CSV. Okay, so we will use that. That will be Pokemon. Yep. I've copied the name of that file. Yeah. Yeah, you can see this is a Pokemon dataset available in Kaggle. I have downloaded from there also. Here we will first group by based on type 1 column. Let's take the value counts over here. Yeah. So I can see like there are total 112 water type 1 Pokemon. Electric Pokemon is 44 like that. So now we will group it. Yeah, it is already suggesting us. It is now grouped based on type 1. So suppose I want to see mean of uh, speed for each type. Okay. Yeah. So you can see here for every type 1 Pokemon, what are the mean speed available in the dataset? Okay. Uh, let's take another example. Suppose we want to create a variable called power based on the defense and speed for each Pokemon. Okay, so it will take sum of both the variables. We need to convert this into integer type, and we will take a head. Yeah. So you can see, one attribute power has been added to the dataset. Okay, based on the summation of these two columns. Suppose another attribute we want to derive from this power column, uh, strength, or let's take it simple, strong. Let's call it strong. Okay, we'll create a small function If uh, power is greater than 100, then the value will be called as strong. If the power is greater than 50, then it will be medium. Otherwise, it will be weak. Okay. Merging and joining with different datasets is a breeze with Python. You can perform SQL-like joins using the merge, join, and concat method. Okay. So just take a quick short example of that. We'll create two data frames. Now we will use the merge function on key, and also we can include how parameter. Let's take it as inner join. Yeah, you can see only BSC is showing. Okay. Moving on to the next topic. Pandas work seamlessly with other Python data science libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, and SciPy, enabling you to perform numerical computations, plotting, and advanced statistical analysis. We will cover more on this in future videos. In this series, we will deep dive into various topics, including data structures, series data frame, data operations, loading data from different sources, data selection and filtering, adding and dropping columns, handling missing values, duplicates, and data type conversion, and many more. Data manipulation, sorting, aggregation, merging, joining data in detail, group by and pivot tables. These are little advanced operation, time series analysis, and at last we will explore the visualization library of Python, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials. That's it for today's introduction to pandas. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to PyDataLab, and click the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you would like to us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.